you are interested in pursuing a master's or PhD in Brazil, then I genuinely need you to pay attention to this video very carefully. Right now, multiple Brazilian federal universities are actively accepting applications from international students across a wide range of postgraduate programs, and the numbers of opportunities currently available is honestly impressive. As you can see on my screen, programs are open in areas such as earth sciences, engineering, applied computing, biomedical engineering, history, education, geology, botany, information science, and several others. What makes this particularly important is that many of these opportunities are hosted in public federal universities in Brazil, institutions that are intentionally recognized for research and postgraduate training. I will leave the link of this opportunity in the comment section or in the video description box, so just look around there. Try to apply as soon as possible. Look at the first one, which is earth sciences. It's closing on the 29th of this May. It was just opened last week. This one was opened last week. It's going to be closing on the 29th. This one on the 31st, 29, 21, 31. This one is going to be closing in the month of June, and this one is also going to be closing in the month of June. So May, this one is going to be closing in May, and this one right here is chemistry. So if you're interested in applying to chemistry, or you are interested in applying to electrical engineering, applied computing, botany, information science, physical education, you know, in PhD and in master's level. And we also have this very fantastic one that has been listed, but it has not even started, and it is academic master's degree in transportation. There are 25 slots, and it's going to be starting in the first day of the month of June, and it's going to be closing in the 10th day in the same month of June. So right now you can put in all the preparation that you need to put. So guys, look at so many opportunities, and you know, I made a video about this school. All the ones that I made a video about, I don't know, maybe you guys apply. If you apply, I'm wishing you best of luck, but all those ones are closed now. So these ones that we are seeing here, they are new updates. You know, they were just updated last week. I told you guys, if you are going to be applying to any school in Brazil, make sure that it is a school that is well recognized. If you know you are interested in coming to Brazil, target federal university. So take this as an advice from me. Target federal university. So all these programs that are currently open, take note of the important deadline. So whether you are considering a master's or a PhD, or simply exploring international academic opportunities, this is a video you should watch carefully until the end. And like I always say, if it is not for you, like if you are not looking for opportunity in Brazil, kindly share it with someone that may be interested. I'm wishing you best of luck, and the school is no any other school than University of Brasilia. Again, the link is in the video description. Click on it, send your application. If you need someone that can help you to write a proposal, or you need someone that can help you to do the application, you can reach out to me via the email so that we can agree on the terms and conditions. We're in the season, guys. Don't snooze. If you do, you might just be losing on these great opportunities, and I don't want that to be your testimony. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button, like the video, and share with someone that may be interested. Try as much as possible, submit your application, and expect God to give you favor. And I will see you in the next video. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.